Welcome back to Wise Explainer, the channel where we dive into the best tools and strategies for your online business success. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our expert reviews. And just before we start, a quick reminder that all the links to the platforms I mentioned today are in the description below. Now let's get into our honest review of Spocket for dropshipping. Spocket has become a popular choice among dropshippers, especially for those looking to source products from suppliers in the US and Europe. But is it the right tool for your business? Let's start with the pros. One of Spocket's biggest advantages is its high-quality product selection. Unlike many other dropshipping platforms that focus heavily on suppliers from China, Spocket connects you with suppliers primarily from the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times, often within a few days, which is a huge plus if you're targeting customers in those regions. Another strong point is the product quality. Spocket suppliers are vetted for quality, so you're more likely to find premium products that can set your store apart from the competition. Spocket also offers branded invoicing, which allows you to include your own logo and branding on the invoices sent to your customers, helping to build your brand identity even when using a dropshipping model. Lastly, the platform integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to import products and manage your store. Now let's talk about the cons. While Spocket's focus on US and European suppliers is great for shipping times, it also means that the product costs can be higher compared to suppliers in Asia. This might result in lower profit margins unless you're able to position your store as a premium brand. Additionally, Spocket doesn't offer as wide a range of products as some other dropshipping platforms, so if you're looking for a huge selection of items across various niches, you might find it a bit limiting. Another consideration is that Spocket's pricing plans can be a bit steep for beginners. While there is a free plan available, it's quite limited in terms of the number of products you can import, so you might need to upgrade to a paid plan fairly quickly as your business grows. Finally, while Spocket does offer integrations with Shopify and WooCommerce, it's not compatible with every e-commerce platform out there, which could be a limitation depending on where you've built your store. So, who should use Spocket? Spocket is an excellent choice for dropshippers who want to offer high-quality products with fast shipping times to customers in the US and Europe. It's particularly well-suited for those who are looking to build a premium brand and are willing to invest in higher-cost products in exchange for better quality and shipping. However, if you're operating on a tight budget or need a vast product range, you might want to consider other options that offer lower product costs or more extensive selections. In summary, Spocket is a powerful tool for dropshippers aiming to deliver quality products with quick shipping times, especially if your target market is in the US or Europe. It's ideal for those looking to create a strong brand presence with premium products and branded invoicing. But be mindful of the higher costs and more limited product range. If Spocket sounds like a good fit for your business, check out the links in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching Wise Explainer. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.